Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is the party setup and reveal video. So on this day, this is the day before, and I wanted to get my cleaning done in today. I'll be filming the living room area, and I really wanted to wash the material on this couch because realistically I haven't done that in a while. So I thought that that would have been a perfect place to get things started. So throughout this whole week, I kind of took a day-by-day step with cleaning. Like for instance, the day before this, I did the bathrooms, and then the day before that, I did vacuuming the floor. So each day prior to this, I did a small cleaning effort just so I don't overwhelm myself the day before, because I did have a lot to do. So what you see me spraying on the couch, that is just alcohol in the bottom, and I'm wiping it down with a microfiber cloth. This is how I clean the top base of the couch, because if you watch any of my earlier videos, I did mention that this part of the couch cannot be removed. So while I have the base cushion covers washing in the washer, I just lightly clean this part. And you guys know I like to Febreze and Lysol everything. For those that can't be washed, hey, I just Febreze them. So it was a 30-minute cycle to wash and dry the cushion covers, and I did not dry them on high heat. I did tumble dry them because, again, I don't want any damage coming to these fabrics, so that's why it took a little bit longer than average. So I thought it was a perfect time to bust out those cushion covers I purchased a week ago, trying to bring in some of that mustard yellow again, and I got these from Amazon. So I'm just going to be refluffing the pillows. If you know me, I like to change out the cushion covers because it is cheaper than just buying a new pillow. And I wanted to show you my recent purchase. This was a container that I got from Hobby Lobby on that 90% off sale, and I got it for $159, and it came with 2 of the 4 coasters, and even though it's missing the other 2, hey, I'm happy just paying $159 for it. Alright, so on to the night before. Now, as I mentioned before, I wasn't sure if I was going to be doing a real cake or a fake cake, and I decided to do the fake cake because I was short on time. So this is what I'm doing. This is styrofoam that I'm going to be covering with fondant. Now that I have both of my tiers covered in fondant, I'm just going to align them appropriately. I'm just going to align the 2 pieces, make sure that I put the top tier more to the front so I would have a little more space in the back, because I plan to make the icing train that you typically see on a unicorn cake. So the items that I have, and I actually did a haul on this, these are the cake toppers for the cake and the cupcake wrapper, and I'm going to use this to finish up the decor on the unicorn cake as usual. So I dyed my icing 3 different colors so I could do the main for the unicorn on the unicorn cake, as well as the icing for the cupcakes. My battery died on me, that's what I remember. It did die, so I wasn't able to film me icing the main on the unicorn cake. Just morning shower. Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. That's our setup. With a slide too. Already set up. Starting to come along. Gotta trim that branch. But gonna get these set up. Alright. So as you can see, I did end up rearranging the original setup that was set up from the party attendants that delivered the bounce house and the tables and the chairs, because I wanted a different layout. And I must say, this day the weather was very uncooperative. It had a few rain showers, some wind chills, and a little dip in temperature, but regardless, we got the most of it. I wasn't able to decorate her dessert table as I had planned. It was a whole lot of stuff that I wanted to put out there, but the weather was not cooperative, so we made the best with what we had. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the party setup and reveal of my daughter's unicorn birthday party. I hope you guys can come back for more, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!
You guys ready?
I can't wait.
Wait, we're gonna get some more chairs. Wait.